As per our really current Bitcoin money cost expectation, the worth of Bitcoin money will expanded by 244.49%, coming to $487.68 by end of 2025, which truly is genuinely critical. All specialized markers demonstrate that for the most part current opinion by and large is bullish, while the apprehension and ravenousness file is perusing 34.18, which truly implies in every practical sense intense trepidation. Our Bitcoin money figure, it's for the most part purchase Bitcoin money right now incredibly. On February 24, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, showing an overall bullish opinion among Bitcoin money cost forecasts. See the in every way that really matters, careful Bitcoin money cost expectation underneath. You will as far as plans and purposes might be aware how especially much Bitcoin money is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout the course of recent days, Bitcoin money has expanded by 5.11%. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a very slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of February, the worth of Bitcoin money expanded by 112.53% and came to approach around $289.54 in an unpretentious manner. As of now, all pointers are demonstrating bullish zone, and the apprehension and insatiability record really shows 34.18, especially intense feelings of trepidation, by and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. As per our estimate, this isn't the ideal opportunity to purchase Bitcoin money in a significant manner. At present, Bitcoin money is exchanging underneath the 200 basic moving normal, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA in every way that really matters, has shown a Bitcoin money purchasing signal, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The cost of Bitcoin money is at present running underneath the 50-day, especially straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and it essentially shows a purchase signal. As per every specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will fundamentally hit $117.23 toward December's end. By December 2023, 2024, Bitcoin Cash's truly momentary 50-day SMA shows a $127.27. The general strength record, RSI energy oscillator, is a well-known pointer that signals whether a cryptographic money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is as of now at Recivalu, which is very huge. This demonstrates that the BCH market is in an impartial position. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation 2023. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, Bitcoin money came to $137.87. When it dipped under $96.56, interestingly since January 2021. As per the financial backers and market trades, Bitcoin money in every way that really matters is en route to passing the $297.36 mark before the current year is over in a quite huge manner. Before $297.36, it might break its sign of $4,355.62 and reach, in spite of mainstream thinking. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Bitcoin money will, for the most part, break its past all-time commonly high of $4,355.62 and really hold somewhere in the range of $291.63 and $297.36 soon, which is genuinely huge. At this point, on 24 February 2023, Bitcoin money is exchanging at $136.23, and its 24-hour exchanging volume sort of is around 211.39 M, and it makes number 28 cash in the sort of entire crypto world. As opposed to mainstream thinking, Bitcoin money value expectation 2024, there is plausible that Bitcoin money can especially get through the $350.72 obstruction and hold the market toward 2024 amazingly's end. The least Bitcoin money cost will be between $292.55 to $350.72, and the most probable Bitcoin money cost will especially be consistent at around $331.11 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Bitcoin Cash's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its earth antagonistic energy use, tycoon financial speculator Tim Draper by and large is adhering to his expectation that Bitcoin money will in every practical sense reach $350.72 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists foresee that BCH will begin the year at $400.63 and exchange around $487.68. Or so they thought. As per their forecasts, this would be incredibly high contrasted with a year ago. This generally is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Bitcoin Money 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. Yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $626.27 level. Bitcoin Money is really anticipated to arrive at an untouched high of $566.80 or $626.27 in 2026, and it could generally be the extended period of Bitcoin Money. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2027 Bitcoin Money Value Forecast, or BCH, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it can possibly, in a real sense, accomplish new highs. As far as sticker costs and market cap, in spite of mainstream thinking, Bitcoin Cash's cost is supposed to sort of outperform $626.27 in 2027, or so they thought. It has been anticipated that Bitcoin Money will generally arrive at the greatest cost of $626.27. And the really least cost is supposed to be around $524.17 in the following a long time from 2027. In a kind of significant manner, Bitcoin Money estimate 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee really say that Bitcoin Money Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, Bitcoin Money, is supposed to sort of cross a value level of $682.22 in 2028, which truly is very critical. In the interim, Bitcoin Money is supposed to arrive at the very least cost of $646.77 this year, or so they thought. The most extreme cost might reach $734.62. In an unpretentious manner, Bitcoin Money, BCH value forecast 2029 by the start of 2029. The Bitcoin Money Value Expectation and Specialized Investigation anticipate that the expense of Bitcoin Money will reach $999.88, and the cost of BCH ought to reach $999.88 before the year is over, or so they thought. Likewise, BCH can sort of reach up to $919.45 in cost. From 2024 to 2029 delay will by and large bring huge years for Bitcoin Money development, which essentially is genuinely critical. BCH Value Expectation 2030 out of 2030. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast are supposed to commonly cross the $1,404.69 normal